Hey everybody, it's Gary, the Google guy here, and today I got a cool one for you, and I'm going to share my newest addiction with you. That it's been around for a little bit, but I really haven't used it much until, we'll say, the last month or so. So now that I've got some kind of idea on how we can use this tool, it's using the Gemini app through Chrome, as in the browser. So I'm addicted to using Gemini as an app. I do a ton of different things. Obviously, we can connect different applications throughout your Workspace account and whatnot. So if we go into the app, we can do things here. If we go into our mail, we can access Gemini through the side panel here, and so on and so forth. But if you're like me, there's certain apps like Google Calendar that in the upper right does not have Gemini. If you look at Google Keep, which I'm a huge user of, upper right, there's no Gemini app. Let alone, how many of you use the Gemini app? You go from a website, you do your thing, then you go back to the app and do some things with that app from there. And you're kind of going back and forth between the apps, right? Well, what if you could do Gemini side by side in that panel? So for example, I'm a Google Keep user, so I want to use Gemini in this app. In the upper right hand corner, you will see the Ask Gemini icon in your Chrome browser. Now, just a quick FYI, if you are part of an organization work-wise, Work does have the ability to disable this feature for you. So if you don't see it, that's why. So you may have to use your free Google account in order for you to access it. But if we click on Ask Gemini, you'll see it immediately down in the bottom right. It's connecting to my Google Keep. And now I've got my Gemini app in my side panel. So now I can start working with Keep and Gemini. Same thing can go for Calendar. Get into your calendar, upper right hand corner, click on Ask Gemini. Now you can do some different things because it's connecting to your calendar from here. So that's kind of getting around that side panel. If you're using one of your Google Docs sheet slides, yes, you have the side panel there, but you could also open this additional Gemini side panel to maybe do some additional research alongside your doc, but in the same pane, which I love. Now, here's where the power really expands. So for example, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and then in the upper right, Ask Gemini. And now I can start going into asking about this web page. Or if I go into one of my recent videos, so let's go into our Notebook LM mind maps. And now look in the bottom right-hand corner there. We'll just pause that for a moment. Look in the bottom right-hand corner, sharing how to use Notebook LM mind maps. So now I could say, generate a summary of this. What are the key points of it? I can literally act and interact with the video that I'm watching as well as with this Gemini app side panel. I don't have to bop back and forth between tabs. So let's say, for example, I'm part of a state of Colorado. I live in Colorado, so I'm part of the state of Colorado native pollinating insects health study. Maybe I'm just interested in that. I can come into that upper right-hand corner, Ask Gemini. It's going to be sharing that information from that page. I can click on summarize this page for me. And now I've got the Gemini app active here in my side panel. It's going to summarize this web page. And there we go. So this kind of eliminates the need for going back to the Gemini app and having to do things separately in another tab. So I love this. You have all of your tools, especially in the bottom right-hand corner. You can go live and work with that from there too. So it's in your free account if you want to use it there. If your domain, your work account has enabled that for you, you will see the Ask Gemini in that upper right-hand corner. Folks, I love this. It's a huge time saver. It is really powerful to do things with what you want to do and need to do within your browser pages, as long as you're in Chrome. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, or a really cool tool like this one. This is Triple G, Gary the Google Guy, signing off.